How to set any alert? Go to the Company Config module. Open the Email Trigger tab. Click the Add Trigger button. The Set Email Trigger pop-up will appear. Select the required model from the model list. Example, Asset Management. Select the required asset category. Example, Hardware Changes. Select the email IDs of the users who should receive the alert. Click the Save button. The email trigger will be successfully configured. How does the alert work? Once the trigger is configured, whenever a hardware change occurs on any device, the selected users will automatically receive an email containing the relevant hardware change details. In this way, you can easily configure automatic alerts for different events in ePrompto. Thank you.